Quality wheel spacers are good to use as long as we install them correctly. The wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts between the wheel hub assembly and the wheel. High-quality wheel spacers can help your vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including cosmetic changes, brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel application, better handling, and more. Wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustment, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually flush with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the vehicle. The lines of the vehicle will be fuller, giving it an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Installing wheel spacers is a great way to fix wrong offset rubbing problems. They are installed between the wheel hubs and the wheels, pushing the wheels and tires out a few millimeters. Because of the increased inner wheel clearance, you can less limit to aftermarket brake and wheel options. These wheel spacers are helpful in preventing larger rims and wider tires from rubbing against suspension components. There are performance benefits of upgrading with wheel spacers. By increasing the track width, they add more stability. In general, a wider track makes for a smoother ride. They also greatly improve stability and handling. BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are designed to perform well in heavy duty and any type of 4x4 event. These wheel spacers have high strength requirements. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to improve brake cooling. Distributed in petal shape, these grooves allow the outside cold air to continuously flow inside the wheel spacer as it rotates. The air removes the heat, thus achieving the purpose of actively dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect, and improving road safety. BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers feature ISO grade 12.9 wheel stud, as well as ISO grade 10 lug nut. All BONOSS wheel spacer kits are delivered with authoritative SGS and TÜV certification report. In addition, BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, giving customers peace of mind. Such BONOSS forged FT cooling wheel spacers are surely a good option for your driving needs.
If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe, turn on notifications, and as always, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching and have a great day!